Goa is a state on the southwestern coast of India within the region known as the Konkan and geographically separated from the Deccan Highlands by the Western Ghats. It is surrounded by the Indian states of Maharashtra to the north and Karnataka to the east and south, with the Arabian Sea forming its western coast. It is India's smallest state by area and the fourth smallest by population. A kaleidoscopic blend of Indian and Portuguese cultures, sweetened with sun, sea, sand, seafood, and spirituality, Goa is India's pocket sized paradise. The Portuguese invaded Goa in 1510. The Portuguese rule lasted for about 450 years and heavily influenced Goan culture, cuisine, and architecture. In 1961, the Indian Army invaded and annexed Goa after a 36-hour battle. The region was incorporated as a union territory of Goa, Daman and Diu. In 1987, Goa was granted statehood. Its sandy beaches, lively nightlife, and World Heritage architectural spots attract over 2 million international and domestic tourists every year. Did you know that Goa is the second state in India after Orissa, where world-famous olive ridley turtles flock the margin to lay their eggs? The city of Panaji or Panjim is the capital of Goa. It lies on the banks of the Mandavi River estuary in the Tiswadi sub-district. Panaji has been selected as one of the 100 Indian cities to be developed as a smart city under the Smart Cities mission. It is the biggest city in North Goa and the third biggest city in the state after Vasco da Gama and Margao. It is on the southern banks of the Mandavi River. It is the peninsula of the Mandavi where you will see floating casinos and cruise boats. Goa is best known for beaches. In Panaji, you will find the Miramar and some other beaches, but the city is more about heritage buildings, churches, temples, architecture, walking tours, and fun activities like casino gaming and river cruising. There are many English cafes and French restaurants tucked away in the small corners. Konkani and English are the two most spoken languages of Panaji. Sri Mangeshi Temple is located at Mangeshi village in Ponda Taluk of Goa. This temple is one of the largest and most frequently visited temples in Goa. In 2011, the temple along with others in the area instituted a dress code on visitors of the temple. The original site of Sri Mangeshi Temple is Kushasthali or Kotalim in Salsett Taluka. To avoid the increasing Portuguese missionary activities in Goa, the GSB community was afraid for the safety of the temples and idols. Hence, the families worshipping Sri Shanta Durga and Sri Mangesh on a moonless night, leaving their homes and hearts, crossed over the Zuari River to a safer region which was under the rule of the Muslim king Adil Shah. After remaining in the house of a temple priest for some time, the deity idol was finally installed at its present site in the village. The territory of Ponda was not under Portuguese rule in the 16th century and hence was seen as a safe haven by Hindus fleeing persecution by the Portuguese. The forests of Ponda were ideal places for Hindus to form makeshift temples with the idols they had salvaged from the broken temple of Sashti. The Church of Saint Francis of Assisi was built in 1661 by the Portuguese in the Portuguese Viceroyalty of India. This church is a Roman Catholic church situated in the main square of Old Goa, about 6 miles east of Panaji. The church and convent of Saint Francis of Assisi were established by 8 Portuguese Franciscan friars who landed in Goa in 1517. After their arrival in 1517 with their consistent efforts, they constructed a small chapel with 3 altars and a choir. Eventually, in the year 1521, the chapel was modified into a church and dedicated to the Holy Ghost in 1602. Later, the church was pulled down and the present church was constructed on the same spot in 1616. The west-facing church has a nave with 3 chapels on both sides, a choir on the first floor, a main altar and 2 other altars. The exterior of the church is of the Tuscan order, while the main entrance is in Manueline style. In the interior of the church, there are 2 large statues, One is Saint Francis of Assisi and the other is the Crucified Christ. Goa Vela is a census town in Hellas, Goa. The town of Goa Vela stands on the site of the ancient port of Goapuri or the Gopaka Pattana, which was founded by the Kadamba dynasty in the 11th century on the banks of the Zuari river. Goapuri was one of the main ports first of the Kadamba dynasty and subsequently of the Vijayanagara Empire. In the 15th century, a number of wars were fought between the Deccan Sultanates and the Vijayanagara for control of the Goa region, as a result of which Goapuri came under the control of the Adil Shahs of Bijapur. Goapuri was devastated by the wars. In addition, the Zuari had begun to recede from the port as a result of silting. As a result, the new Adil Shahi rulers built a new port city for Goa some distance to the north on the banks of the Mandavi. The Portuguese eventually made the new city the capital of Portuguese India and called the old port of Goapuri Goa Vela, which is Portuguese for Goa the Old. Goa Vela continued to exist as a small town under Portuguese rule and in 1961 was invaded by India along with the rest of Goa.